Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Today I wanted to show some happy mail that I got from Nicole at iHeartArt, and it was a complete surprise. I just opened up the post box and ta-da! Look at this beautiful package. And so I thought I would open it on camera and show you just the beautiful packaging here. So here we go. So this is the first thing. It's just, the presentation is just lovely. Look at all those doilies, and what's an embossed envelope. And oh, look, the little charm with the H on. Oh, you think of everything. Oh, it's so sweet. Washi. And some more goodies. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh, these are just going to be so perfect to put in my gratitude journal. And wow. Really sweet. Lovely. Oh, I love butterflies. I've been watching a lot of Clutterbug videos, and I've found out that I'm a butterfly. And so that's very appropriate. Let's see. Oh, wow. Life is fragile. Handle with prayer. Beautiful. Okay. And so then the next thing. Oh, sweet. Oh, is this the handmade washi tape you made, or is this different washi tape? She did this really cool video of different kinds of ways that you can DIY your own washi tape. Oh, this is, well, I'm just going to have to tear it. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at all these. Oh, these are just so sweet. Oh, I can do paper clips with that, with these embellishments, and little flowers, and some eyelash trim. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at this trim. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you. Wow. Oh, I love that. And more doily. Love. Oh, this is just, it's so sweet. Look at, and with this will be going in the gratitude journal for sure. Okay, so this is an envelope. She, I think Mod Podged some tissue paper, but embellished with washi. And here is napkin. So, and it's just so sturdy. Look, a little bit of washi there, and then Velcro. And wow, I'm really, truly blown away at all. Ah, look at this. It's so cute. I remember you demoing this on your video about packaging, and this is just so sweet. Oh, I love it. So, didn't tear that one. Oh, wow. More butterfly. Oh, look at this. It's so cute. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, and it smells. Oh, sorry. I'm taking it out of the camera. It smells really good, too. And I'm usually sensitive to smells, but that's not bothering me. So, wow. Oh, perfect. That is awesome. Okay. String. Little sticker. Oh, are these handmade stickers too? I think that's what inspired me to do my little butterfly stickers, was when she was making. Oh, look at these. Wow. Wow. My gratitude journal is gonna look so nice this month. These are just beautiful. Are these originals? Because Wow, that is really cool. Really cool. Wait, let me get the washi off the sticker. Okay. Love that. Okay. Next, it's like, oh my gosh, it's like Christmas and my birthday all rolled into one here. And oh, look at all these little butterflies. And oh, look at this little, this is just so sweet. And the buttons. Oh, look. That's so sweet. Oh, and a little bell. Oh no, that's an acorn. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, I love them. Wow, well, we know what's going to be showing up in my journals. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. That's what I'm smelling. All right. Oh, wow. I know, I'm just wowing, aren't I? But this is just so sweet. Oh, well, this is going to go in my gratitude journal for sure, and I can use that washi tape. Awesome! And, oh, these are just really sweet. That looks like William Morris wallpaper. And, oh, wow. Oh, look, the red clover. Oh, I learned about red clover with, and this is a note that I won't share on camera, but thank you. I learned about red clover from Susan Weed. And it's a blood purifier, and what else? Blood purifier, good if you have cancer, that sort of thing. I should link something down below. Susan Weed is a wild woman. She specializes in herbology, but weeds, you know, like the medicinal properties of weeds. That is just beautiful. And let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this tassel. Oh, that's going on the gratitude journal too. Oh, look. That is so pretty. Look, I should display it better. There we go. And then last one. Oh, this is just so amazing. All right. Glassine bag. Here we go. Oh, and here's some of the washi tape. Awesome. Oh, and tea stain paper. Excellent. Well, I am going to be using all of this. DIY washi. Awesome. I'll have to link the video down below of her demonstration. This is fabric, and then you just peel it off and it sticks. So, oh, that's just really beautiful. Oh, no, wait. I think that is, wait, is that fabric or is that a napkin? I can't tell. My old lady eyes. So let me put that there, and then tea stain paper or coffee. Ooh, dictionary page. Ooh. Oh, is that, is it Spanish or Italian? I can't tell. Address tongue family. Oh, adder's tongue family. Water fern. Oh, that's botanical stuff. Cool. And then more washi. Oh, this is just awesome. Oh, wow. All those little scraps that you can turn into washi. That's just so cool. So cool. That was on the outside of the envelope of the package. So pretty. And then some paper, some more paper. Very French. And more tea. And oh wow, this vellum is really beautiful. That is gorgeous. Wow. Well, thank you so much. I am just blown away, and this is just so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll have links down to iHeart Art down below so you can go check her out. I'm sure you already know who she is anyway, but okay, that's it for now. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll be back with another video soon. Bye.